Hi everyone, so I want to very quickly show you a way in which we've just been using Copilot within Microsoft Teams and also Microsoft Loop to work on our new event that we're planning for October. So this kind of happened by accident, but it was a really great use of how we used the product. So we joined the call, it was supposed to be about half an hour. There was a Word document that one of the marketing team had showed that covered kind of some key things about the agenda and those kind of things, and we very quickly decided that we should shift that to a loop. So we have a loop space that we use for all our event preparation that we've been doing for this financial year. So we switched over to that and started working. I mean, some of the team in the marketing team who are new had never used Loop before, so rather than trying to get them to go to the website and sign in and those kind of things, we just dropped the components, the Loop components, into the chat, and they started working on that, and it was quite amazing, and they were quite impressed, and it was actually quite cool to see in real time everyone working on those collaborative pages together. Now, I'm a massive fan of Loop. I use it a lot within my teams, but it was the first time we've kind of used it with a team of people that had never used it, just to see how quick and easy it was to do. So I'll just show you quickly what we did. So in the page, we flipped over to Loop, which you can see here. It's just refreshed actually, so you can see this new design that's just come out. So really well structured. So you've kind of got your key navigation pane down the left hand side. You've got this is our events page. You can see all the different events that we've run and the one we're prepping for at the moment. So this is this one. You can see here Loop has been redesigned. It's great. It's a lot easier now to navigate. So they've moved the start menu around. If you're new to Loop, then this is just how it works. If you've been using Loop for a while, then this is the new UI that they've released. So really cool. You get Copilot, if you've got a Copilot license, of course, inside Loop as well, which is really useful. More than that another day. And it's really easy to share content and track it. So what we'd essentially done is started building out the agenda when we're going to run it, and just ideas of people that are going to speak, some breakout sessions and fun things that we might do. So I need to try and see if I can get the designer team to sponsor an AI lab, maybe some speakers. This is an event that Cisco wanted to run alongside, so we've taken some ideas from that. And then what we did was started building out the agenda, and then finally we were using Copilot in the meeting. So what we actually did from using Copilot, and I'll just bring in a quick screenshot here of what we were doing, is we then asked Copilot to create us a summary of all the things that we were talking about in the meeting. So here are the meeting notes that Copilot created for me, and we've just pasted these into the Loop space. And we've then asked it to give us some marketing pitches. So here's a potential marketing pitch about the event. You can see this was generated by Copilot, so we will review it. And there was another version here which we asked it to write, which was more to summarize to our sales managers why we're going to run the event and why it's great. So there we go, really quick use of Microsoft Copilot within a meeting, and then how we would actually leverage Copilot to take our notes for us, to summarize some of those key things, and then to drop that inside of Loop as well. So hope you enjoyed that, hope you found it useful. Make sure you use Copilot in your meetings, and Loop is great for just organizing things in a group rather than working on kind of Word documents. You can do the same thing with a Word document and collaborate. You can do it within OneNote, but Loop is just fantastic for kind of getting those pages together and events together and pulling information in from multiple sources.